Hello viewers, my name is George Uma. I'm the lead physiotherapist at Wema Group. Today I want to show you some of the stretches for the shoulder using the wall. So the first one, you go close to the wall like this. Then with your hands down from there, you move them against the wall all the way until you meet above your head, and then push a little bit up. And then you hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Then you drop them slowly all the way down. You do that for 5 repetitions all the way up. Then you push them up. You stay for 5-10 seconds and then back. The next one, you go parallel to the wall, then you put a palm on the wall like that, and then you make a circle all the way to the back, and then you reverse all the way down. You do 5 repetitions of that, and then you turn. You face the other direction, you do the same to the other arm. All the way, and then you reverse. The next one, you're standing parallel to the wall again. The leg which is close to the wall, you cross it in front. Then you put the palm on the wall, and then you push your waist towards the wall. You rest for 5-10 seconds, and then you go back. You do 5 repetitions of that, and then you tap, you face the other direction, you do the same. Put the palm on the wall, then the leg which is close to the wall, you cross it in front, and then you drop your waist. Stay there for 5-10 seconds, and then you go back. You do 5 repetitions of that. The next one, you go to the edge of the corner, like this one. You put your hands, your elbows on the wall, shoulder level, both sides. Then your feet close together, slightly behind. And then you drop your upper body. Then you wait for 5-10 seconds, and then you go. You do 5 repetitions of that, and then you go back. The next one, you pass your arm across your chest, then you hook it with the opposite arm, you pull it towards one side, then you rotate your neck towards the opposite side. You do the same to the other side. You hook it, then you pull it, then you rotate your neck to the opposite side. You hold for 5-10 seconds, then you let it go. Then you draw circles forward, then backward. 5-10 repetitions of that. Thank you for watching. Keep stretching, stay healthy.